Hello, good day, welcome to my channel. This video will demonstrate how to set up high availability Home Assistant on Proxmox VE 8.4. This video will also demonstrate high availability when one of the nodes is down. It's a cluster with 2 nodes. Well, it's not recommended to have 2 nodes. Minimum nodes should be 3. Let's start. Let's check the VM of Home Assistant and then go to Data Center. Check the home availability setup. As you can see, I have set up this and assigned with the HA group 01. HA group 01 is assigned to 2 nodes. On the right side, we can see Home Assistant dashboard with 3 devices. So the first one is a Xiaomi Bluetooth temperature sensor, and the second one is a smart lamp Wi-Fi 2 year. Yeah, I can turn it on and turn it off. And the third one is an IKEA Zigbee switch. So I have the physical switch. I can turn it on, turn it off. This shows that Home Assistant is working normally. I'm going to open 2 command prompts. The first one is to ping the second node that I'm going to shut down. The second command prompt is to ping the Home Assistant. So we can see both are alive at this moment. I also open stopwatch. Now I open a terminal. I'm going to power off the second node. Power off. I start stopwatch. So we can see both are down now. Home Assistant dashboard shows that no activity. Okay, so there's no update. 1 second ago, 43 seconds ago. Okay, now it's 44 seconds ago. So basically, Home Assistant is already down. It's 2 minutes. You can see on the left side, Home Assistant is up and gone again. Let's wait. Once the Home Assistant is up, we can see on the right window, command prompt should be alive. Yeah, I think it will be alive soon. After 3 minutes, Home Assistant is up. You can see the ping is up. It's alive. But the Home Assistant dashboard is still not up. Yeah. Let's wait. Oh, okay. We can see Home Assistant is live after 4 minutes 24 seconds. Bluetooth sensor is updated 9 seconds ago. So there still model is not up, but we can see the device is already up. Yeah? Bluetooth 10 seconds ago updated. Home Assistant has started after 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Bluetooth temperature sensor is updated 18 seconds ago. Let's turn it off, turn it on. It's working. Yeah, Bluetooth, you can see that the last update is 1 second ago. Smart Wi-Fi 3 also the same. I tried to press the physical button, the IKEA Zigbee switch. Yeah, off, on, nice. This shows that the Home Assistant on the second node has been switched over to the first node after the second node was down. Nice. Now, I'm going to turn on the second node remotely. I switch on the power bank. Let's wait. Second node is up. Ping is alive. Nice. So, this video has demonstrated how to set up high availability Home Assistant, and also shows that what happened when one of the node is down. Home Assistant switch over to the first node and then later bring up the second node. I'm going to continue uploading interesting videos for sharing and learning. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.